Thank you for joining Wars of the Roses. And this is Ecbatana from the Encyclopedia of Freemasonry by Albert G. Mackey. Ecbatana, an ancient city of great interest to those who study the history of rebuilding of the temple. Its several names were Ecbatana, Ecbatana, and Ecbatana. Tradition attributes the founding of the city to Solomon, Herodotus to Diocles, 728 BC, the Book of Judith to Harpaxid. It was the ancient capital of Media. Vast quantities of rubbish now indicate where the palace and cathedral stood. The Temple of the Sun crowned a conical hill enclosed by 7 concrete walls. According to Celsus, there was thus exhibited a scale composed of 7 steps or stages, with an 8th at the top extremity. The first stage was composed of lead and indicated Saturn. The second of 10 denoted Venus. The third of copper denoted Jupiter. The fourth of iron denoted Mars. The fifth of divers metals denoted Mercury. The sixth of silver denoted the moon. The seventh of gold denoted the sun. Then the highest, heaven. As they rose in graduation towards the pinnacle, all the gorgeous battlements represented at once, in a Sabaean fashion, the 7 planetary spheres. The principal buildings were the cathedral, a stronghold of enormous dimensions, where also the archives were kept, in which Darius found the edict of Cyrus the Great concerning the rebuilding of the Holy Temple in Jerusalem. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. And if you can, please consider donating to Wars of the Roses. Links to PayPal and Patreon are in the description. Thank you so very much.